Lecture hall contains 85 students. I think there's supposed to be a hyphenation in that. If the teacher puts the students in groups of 5 students, in each group, how many groups are there in that class? Oh, okay. So we got 85 students, and we're going to divide it up into 5. This will tell us how many groups there are. And we know it's division because it's asking how many groups exist with each group having 5 students. Now, again, you could make a chart or a diagram for this one, but I think the division will suffice, which means that I'm going to use some long division on this. 85 divided by 5, right? Dividend divided by divisor. And 5 will go into 8 once. 1 times 5 is 5, so subtract that out. We get 3 remaining. And if I drop this 5, then it becomes 35. And 5 will go into 35 exactly 7 times. 7 times 5 is 35. Proves that it goes into it evenly. So we have a remainder of 0. And so we get a final answer here of 17. But again, it's not just that it's 17. We need a label on this one. It was asking how many groups. Well, 17 was our answer, so it would be 17 groups.